Here are the latest and insane stories about Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max specs you don't want to miss out. Some are good, and some are bad. All that will come shortly after this. Please hit the subscribe button. All thanks to Jon Prosser, who recently cleared the air on the Apple iPhone 12. Generally, Apple launches its new iPhone models in the month of September. It has, however, delayed the launch this year. Now the good news first. Apple's first shipment of the final iPhone 12 units is going out to distributors on October 5th. After many complications on the release date of the Apple iPhone 12, Jon Prosser, who confirmed on his Twitter account that the Apple 12 is set for release for October 5th, 2020. He also confirmed that the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max will have a minimum of 128GB storage. I think this is amazing. The iPhone 12 Pro Max will have a quad-camera setup at the back, and it will be equipped with 5G support, also is expected to sport an all-new Super Retina XDR display and will be powered by the Apple A14 Bionic chip. The models in the series will come with 120Hz ProMotion technology and 10-bit color depth. In addition to the many changes coming to the iPhone 12 itself this year, Apple is also rumored to be changing the accessories that are included in the box. According to reliable Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple will not include the wired earpods or the wall charging brick with the iPhone 12 this year. Now the bad news. Sadly, the iPhone 12 Pro Max has revealed some of the smallest performance upgrades in iPhone history. Breaking down the scores. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has just 16% faster CPU performance than last year's iPhone 11 lineup, while graphics performance is basically flat with a 4% speed bump. Memory speeds are up 22%, but as recently as last month, were tipped to be up to 40% and 50% respectively. Too bad it got overhyped. Furthermore, the battery seems downgraded, despite them being the first iPhones to incorporate, notoriously power-hungry, 5G modems. This move also led to Apple abandoning another popular but draining feature for this generation, 120Hz ProMotion displays. And now it appears the A14 chip has been optimized for efficiency, not speed, to cover these battery cost savings. Expectation levels are surprisingly low for the new Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max and all the iPhone 12 series. Stay subscribed for more update on the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max specs.